Hi guys, that's DidyToys and the final part of free crochet bag tutorial. If you missed the previous ones, you can always find them on my channel. Enjoy your crocheting! Let me know if you have any questions.
Attach the muzzle, fix with pins. Then sew it to the head. Stuff a little and sew till the end. Fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tails. The next step is muzzle sculpting. You'll need a really strong thread for that and a long needle. I used 2 threads held together. It's easier to start that way. Find the middle of the bottom part of the muzzle, insert the needle and come out under an eye. Then insert again 2 stitches left or right, depending on where the needle came out from. Insert the needle into the loop, fastening it and tighten. Same process for another eye. Repeat the actions if needed. Now divide the muzzle in the middle. Wrap the thread around the nose, fasten and insert into the starting point again. Come out somewhere behind. Tie a knot and weave in the yarn tails. That's all, the sculpting is ready. Now it's time to sew the ears. First place them symmetrically and fix with pins. Then sew them using a plastic needle for plush yarn. As always, fasten off and weave in the tails. Almost there! A few more touches and the bear is ready. Attach a leg, sew it to the body. Attach the second leg. Make sure it's placed symmetrically. Sew it in a similar way. The same process for arms. Actually, I don't have a specific way of sewing the details. I concentrate on how it looks in the process. So, just sew as you are used to. Don't forget to weave in details at the end. Find the middle of the bag, place the tail and sew it. Weave in the yarn tail. Finally, decorate the toy with a bow. Congratulations! Your bear is ready! Hope you enjoyed the process and liked the final result. Thank you for likes and comments. That motivates me to make more interesting content for you.